Yes, we're back again, and this is Good Noel here. In this video I want to show you how you can find product using just your Facebook profile. Ordinarily, traditionally, if you want to look for a product, you have to do some kind of research. This is also a part of you researching a product to sell, alright? But we are just using Facebook to get this product, to see what other people are selling already, so it makes the entire process easier for us. So if you sell a product, this video will help you on how you can get a product, or how you can select products that you can test out to sell or resell. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how this is done, quick and simple. So first, you must have a Facebook account, but I'm sure you know this already. So what you have to do is go to your Facebook account. This is my Facebook account, and that's my name there, Good Noel. And by the way, if you like videos that have to do with how you can make money online, e-commerce, and ways you can use the internet to make a good living, then you should like videos. You should like this video, and you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in this channel I make videos like that, videos that will help you make money, video that will help you grow your businesses and all of that. So you should subscribe to this channel, and this video, you should equally like this video. When you like this video, what it does is that it tells the YouTube system that you like this guy, and if you like this guy, there are people who should like this guy too. So it will help the video do much better on YouTube and get to reach a lot of people. Alright, so now we're just going to go in. So this is your Facebook dashboard. Alright, so you just come to the search bar, and here's the trick. You are not looking for any particular product in particular. You do not have any product in mind. You do not have an idea of what you're looking for. You just want them to give you something you will test out and see if it works, and then you work towards implementing, buying them or reselling them. So we just come to your search bar, and it's important to note that you can equally do this on your mobile, your Facebook app, so you can repeat the same method. I'm doing it on desktop just so we can have a clearer view. Alright, so you come to your search here. So what you first type is free shipping, just free shipping. Alright, you type free shipping and you click on it. So it will give you a result like this. So we come to videos, you click on videos right here. So it will give you things that has to do with free shipping. This one is like worldwide. All right, so you can see this video that between December 28th and today, this video has over 2 million. That's actually 2.4 million views. All right, so let's just look at the video and see what it is about. So you open it and you see this is an ad copy and ad creative video. So it's a knife sharpener, and then this should be very important for people who like kitchen stuffs. All right, people who are into kitchen and all that. So it's a knife sharpener, and you can see that it is done incredibly well. It has over 10,000 likes and over 2,500 comments. So you can look at this and try it out. All right, this is how you find a good product. You can look at it and try it out. This is like I said, a worldwide audience. So you can see that we have foreigners here who are talking about it. You see, it's saying love my sharpener, plan to get them for relatives, etc, blah blah blah. You go through things like this. So I'm just going to go back again. So it does not have to be exclusively in Nigeria. You can test them out and test them in Nigeria, and then you can source the product and sell. Okay, this one says, this one since November 6th 2020 it has had 118,000 views. All right, so we're going to look at that too. So I'm just going to turn on the volume. What's that? Okay, this looks like a power bank with multiple sockets. Yes, I think that's what it is. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. It's a power bank with multiple sockets. This means you can charge multiple devices at the same time. It looks promising, looks cool. So you can equally, all you have to do is you can take this video, download it, and then do a testing advert for it. Of course, you will have to source it if people begin to ask for these things. So you have to also make sure that you have a supply in place so that you don't end up just wasting your money. Okay, let's look at this. I think I've watched this before. This is since December 2nd we have 2.1 million views. So he said it's a fine smash. I think it's a grinder. Yes, it is a grinder. So it's a grinder for nuts, beans and all that. I think you can easily get this one in Nigeria. So, but because you can easily get it does not mean it will not sell. All right, it is true that your products will have to have some wow factor and all that, but it doesn't mean that you can't find good products that are equally common. So the trick is in testing it out. All right, you test it and you find out if this works for you or not. So that's a fine smash. Yeah, fine smash. So I think it's grinds, hard stuffs like seeds and all that. So this is also for the kitchen niche. All right, so now that's for a worldwide view. All right, so all you have to do is just come here and you type free shipping, and you have a lot of information you can work with. Just watch these videos and see what you like, and then see how you can source them. You can source on Alibaba or what's the name, 1688. You can equally source on our local platforms like what's the name, Gigi and Jumia. All right, so you can source them and make your advert. This one is beard growth oil, and it's had 1.4 million views since 2019. Now let's try something more within Nigeria. So you can see it says free shipping Nigeria. So I already made this search, and that's why they're out there. So you just have to type them in the search bar. So you look for free shipping Nigeria, and then it comes out. So we go to the video, and you can see some of the things that people are selling here. All right, so you can scroll through them and see what your fellow Nigerians are already selling. This one is since 2019 it had 1,400 views. I don't think that ad did very well, and it's not because the product is not good. It's not because the product is not good. It's probably because whoever did the ad didn't do them well. So you see they are selling for 15,000 naira and all that. So it's a cooker, a fast cooker, and this video tells you exactly what you have to do. I have my microphone connected, so you can't see the audio, you can't hear the audio to this video, but you can see what it does. So again, you can test it out and see what works for you. So be able to, if you want to test ads, I already made a video on how you can test, so I'll put the link in the description of this video. So you just go there, you go through it and see how you can test your Facebook ads, your creative, before you actually begin to sell. So we're just going to look for another product, and this one has since July it has more than 500,000 views. Okay, let's go back again, and then we'll just look for free. I think we didn't get our free delivery. Free delivery. in Nigeria. Okay, I think we should get better results now. Yeah, we have better results. The trick there was use free shipping instead of free delivery. You have to understand that we have some kind of cultural difference. Nigerians, there's a way we do our things. So the word shipping is not something we are very free with. Understand? When people hear shipping, they think it's something very hard and tedious to do. So now you have free delivery. This is like the most common ones that Nigerians use, so it's easier for us to relate. And as you can see, we already have more results, and you can see this one since January. It has 37,000 views. This one to free delivery. We're going to look at some of these videos, but before then, let me show you that you can equally sort them, these videos, by how recent they are. Alright, so if you feel 219 is too long for you, you can just make it recent, and then it will refresh and give you very recent videos. And as you can see, this one was posted on 15th of March. This is 11th of March and all that, but I actually prefer to keep it default so that I have more options. Alright, because if you keep it at most recent, you won't have good data to work with, because you can't see what people are saying about it. So we're just going to look at this one and see what this is about. So it says this is I think it's a pump, yes, for transferring fuel. Sorry, you can't hear this, my microphone is connected, so but you can see what it's used for. And I think it solves an important problem, since we have a lot of generator users in Nigeria, and it's not every time you want your hand to be stained by fuel. That smell can be offensive and disturbing and even unsafe. So I think this one is automatic. The one I've seen, they are manual sort of. So I think this is it solves a problem, and as you can see, it has 278 people who liked it. So let's look at the comments if people actually want it. Okay, this one says, nice, please, I need it in Oka. Oka is in Anambra State, Nigeria. Okay, see, people are asking how much. So it's like an evergreen product. Please, how much and your location? I need it in Enugu. I need one. Can I transfer liquid or 5-meter height above the ground? I don't think I know what that means. Nice one, but how much? I need one from Ibadan. So you can see that this has it has potential. So if you can do a proper ad for it, you should be able to scale it. Now let's look at something else. This one has 2 million views since January, which is incredible. Okay, I think this is one of the ones we looked at the other time. I think the person who did this ad did something much better, so they could reach more people. So you can see it had over 14,000 likes, and I have some of my friends who are here who like it too. So we are just going to look at the comment too. So I see some of my friends there who are already commenting. So you can see a lot of people are saying lovely, 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 lovely. So this is how you can find good products that you can sell using just your Facebook search option. So there are a lot of them, and all you have to do is go through them, see something you feel that would sell, and then you run a testing ad for it. You should always test, because you are not the buyer. You should always test so that you know what the buyer is trying to buy, or what the buyer would always want to buy. Alright, so that, my friend, is how you find products on Facebook using just the search bar. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.